Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm breaking down the top 5 free AI tools you can start using right now. No credit card, no hassle, just pure productivity. Let's jump right in. Number 1. ChatGPT. If you haven't tried this yet, you're missing out. ChatGPT is like having a super smart assistant on standby, 24/7, drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, having a random conversation. I use it for quick research, getting unstuck on tough questions, a little creative writing. All you need to do is sign up. You're good to go. Next up, Canva AI. Canva's always been the go-to for easy graphic design. Now with AI, it's on another level. Generate stunning posters, create social media graphics, make logos in minutes. Magic Design reads your inputs and creates pro templates. Design like a pro without being one. Number 3. Runway ML. Video editing just got a serious upgrade. Remove backgrounds from videos, generate special effects, create animations, upload your clip, pick a tool, let AI do the heavy lifting. Game changer for creators. Number 4. Copy.ai. Writing's tough. Copy.ai makes it a breeze. Draft blog posts, write product descriptions, create catchy headlines, type a few keywords, get solid ideas and drafts. A brainstorming buddy that never runs out of energy. Last but not least, Remove.bg. Want to remove a photo background without Photoshop? One click does it. Upload, boom. Background gone, super clean. Great for profile pics. Perfect for product shots. Makes your subject pop. So there you have it. 5 free AI tools to level up your workflow, creativity, and content. If this helped, hit subscribe for more AI tools every week. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next